Hi, welcome to HT channel. Our topic today is how to turn on dark theme mode. So to begin, go to settings and then display brightness and then press on dark. The settings and several apps will become dark. Now how to make the screen dark, we have to change the wallpaper. Choose wallpaper and then choose the black one. So if you want dark or black, you can choose the dark color, this one, or if you want the whole screen is black. But for me, I'm gonna choose the one with light colors, and then set both. So now you have a dark screen. So how to change the social apps? Also, we will start with the Viber. Go ahead to settings, and then appearance, and then turn on or press the black button. So you have now a black appearance, dark appearance on your Viber. To your Messenger, how to change into dark mode is go ahead to your profile and dark mode, turn on. And you have now your dark mode setting. But you can actually use system settings. So when your system setting is on dark mode, it will also automatically change to dark mode your Messenger app. But anyway, let's just turn on dark mode, and now your Messenger is now on dark mode. And then we will change your Twitter. So on Twitter, go ahead to settings and privacy. Go ahead to general. Under the general, we have the display and sound, and then dark mode, turn, enable the dark mode, or you can use the device settings, which is it's already in the dark mode, so it's either of the two. So now your Twitter is on dark mode. Now to change for your Instagram, the Instagram depends on your system settings. So if your system settings is on dark mode, your Instagram will automatically turn to dark mode also. For your YouTube, to turn on the YouTube dark mode, go ahead to your account and then go ahead to settings, enable dark theme. So that is how you turn on your dark mode in your YouTube settings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.